Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set cell size in Google Sheet. So there are two options to set cell size in Google Sheet. So for the option one, you can select the rows or column you want to resize. So just click and press on the row lines and then drag it down or up to adjust it, and do the same for the column. So uh, click and press on the column line and then drag it right or left to adjust it. Right. So for the second option, you can select the rows you want to resize and right click, and then you can select resize row. So you can change for the pixel. For example, it's going to set the 50. Just click OK and do the same for the columns. Select the columns and right click and resize columns. Click OK. That's it. Alright, that's how you can set cell size in Google Sheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.